Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Windows update error 0x800f080a. So to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, Run on Windows Update. And follow the suggestions which you see here. Second method you can try. Open command prompt, so type cmd and run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now type this command sfc space slash scan now. Then press enter and complete this scanning. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes. So once this complete, copy and paste this second command line. So run as administrator and copy and paste. You can open new CMD or also you can use first one which you opened. So after once sfc command will complete, just you have to copy and paste the second command line. I will give in description. Then press enter. And once both will complete, exit and restart your system. So this is the method, guys. You can fix and resolve Windows update error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.